Welcome to Shyaprasad College. We are going to reopen our institution on 16th November 2021. Education institutions across the state remain shut for in-campus classes since the nationwide lockdown was announced in March 2020 to check the COVID-19 pandemic in India. Now it is time to reopen the institution again. After 19 long months, classes are about to resume again in on-campus mode. We are going to meet again face-to-face. But we have to remember that the COVID-19 pandemic situation is not over yet. We must always abide by the rules and safety guidelines set by the college authority. You have to follow some do's and don'ts for your own safety. Wear a mask properly. Maintain social distance at least 1 meter. Clean your hands with soaps and sanitizers for at least 20 seconds. Carry your vaccination certificate even if you are partially vaccinated. Always carry a mask, sanitizer and a water bottle. Maintain distance in the classroom. Carry your own copies and pens. Sanitize your hand frequently. Stay at home if you feel sick. Don'ts. Avoid close contacts. Don't touch your eyes, nose and mouth. Avoid spit, sneeze in public. Avoid mass gatherings and crowded places. Avoid unnecessary roaming in the college premises. Avoid throwing used masks or tissues here and there. Use dustbin to keep your surroundings clean. Avoid taking foods without sanitizing your hands. How to avoid infection and spreading of the coronavirus. Maintain 1 meter distance. Wear mask properly. Cover your mouth while sneezing and coughing. Wash your hand frequently. Avoid gatherings and stay home if you feel sick. Spread awareness for your own safety. Explain to your friends why it is important to protect themselves and others by washing their hands, avoiding touching their face, always coughing and sneezing into their elbow, sleeve or a tissue, and cooperating with physical distancing measures and movement restrictions when called on to do so. Can you spread COVID-19 even if you have mild symptoms or no symptoms? Yes, infected people in all age groups can transmit the virus to other people, even if they have mild symptoms or do not feel ill. The virus is spread from person to person through liquid particles such as droplets from the nose or mouth, which are spread when a person with COVID-19 coughs, sneezes, or speaks. Therefore, it is important to stay at least 1 meter away from others. These droplets can land on objects and surfaces. People can then become infected by touching these objects or surfaces and then touching their eyes, nose, or mouth. Is it safe to go back to college? A decision to reopen colleges is made based on careful assessment of the situation, with consensus among all the key parties involved. Reopening of colleges is carefully planned and prepared, with all necessary measures in place to protect the safety and health of everyone in the college. Our college has taken necessary measures to keep college surrounding clean and sanitized. Thermal testing, sanitization of the students, teachers and college staffs will be done at the college gate. Masks will be provided if it is required. Maintaining COVID-19 safety protocols is your duty too. Stay alert, control the virus, save lives. Thank you.